Hello people! Good morning! Samahan niyo ko ngayong araw sa aming company yacht party. After 20 minutes na biyahe galing sa aming opisina, narating na namin ang Ocean Marina. Ito ay located sa may Najum Tien. Dito ang aming meeting point. Ayan, maraming mga yacht company na nandito. Marami din actually ang nagre-rent ng kanilang mga yacht. Nakita namin, may mga kasabayan din naman kami. Makikita nyo yan later on. We have our company party here at the Ocean Marina Resort. Not really. We have our yacht party. We will depart from here, and that's Bugoy Kirsten. I have my workmate here, Kat and Angel. Waiting while waiting. We're waiting for our co-workers here at the Riva Ocean Marina. It's gonna be fun.
It looks okay so far. It stays like this all day.
Oh, it's a video? Yes. Pagkatapos naming maghintay at nakumpleto na kami, ayan, may binigay sa amin na ticket. Yung actually yung naka-blue is tauhan yan siya ng yacht. Binigyan niya kami isa-isa. And then, ipapasok lang namin dyan sa parang acrylic box na yan. Meron namang sample kung paano nyo ipapasok. Actually, is parang SOP lang yan siya. And after that, nag-U-turn lang kami. And then, pinuntahan namin yung aming yacht. Ayan, naglakad lang kami ng Bahagya. Ticket. And then, afterwards is Pinit Manoy. Pinit! Hello! Ila! The Grand Pier, and we'll be following Diana and Pime. We cannot swim. Just following. This one? Okay, ka. So nice. It's the one. Hi, Diana. Alright, leave your slipper in here. Alright. Yeah, it's like a welcome platter. Yeah, where's the beer? Right? Not yet. Should be there. Okay. Welcome to my yacht. Sorry. Welcome to my yacht. How it looks like. Food platter. Snacks. Downstairs? Yeah. Okay. This is the captain speaking. Oh, I want here. So nice, no? So big also. Ow! Departing. This is our captain.
What's about the other one? The lager? Classic lager?
Hello!
Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of a memories.
Because you're talking and directing him. Shy.
Automatically balances the...
Ayaw nga natin ng girl. Nakaganyan. Ganda!
So, and then you get that.
Heart. Ganda, oh.
And then you go.
Ganda ng view, no? After 45 minutes, nandito na kami sa aming destination. What? Ano jelly yan? Jelly Ace? At ayun nga, ang sabi ng captain ay marami daw jellyfish na namamataan nila. So, this is how the yacht looks like from this side, on this side, on this side. Huy! Nakita kita! Ayan na si Hart, pumusing na. Here at the front area. Rain starting. It's drizzling now. The food in here. After lunch, ayan, nakapag-decide na kami na sumali dito sa mga water activities.
Someone push it!
Video ito! After namin nagbabad sa tubig, umakyat naman kami kasi nagsimula na ang barbecue. Ayan, nagpalipas lang kami ng ilang minuto at darating na kami sa next island. Ayan, ewan ko ano mga pinag-uusapan namin dyan. Tapos, activity na ulit.
like a symphony of memories. Like a symphony of memories. What if the years turn into gold? The longer we live, yeah, the more we grow. We could be 100 miles apart, but it's never far. Yeah, you show me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame. No nostalgia, you're an echo in my head. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of
Hello, Pime! How many bottles did you drink already?
Only one.
Only one? Only one? I don't believe you. One for now. Later again.
The last point for all the years.
Oh.
They will see the sunset over there.
There's a sunset here.
But today we don't have the sunset.
Yeah.
So everyone drop here. You just really for the sunset. But today we not have.
Oh. Back to Pattaya.
Going back.
Pime, not take a bath.
I not take a bath. Just change the dress.
The sun just came out. It's good.
nostalgia, like a symphony of memories. Nostalgia.
Going back to Pattaya. We had fun swimming. What else? Banana boating and the other activity that I don't know. And then what else? We had a barbecue. We had a food, snacks, unlimited drinks, soft drinks, water, and we also bring our own alcohol drink. Ayan, by 5:30 PM, nakadaong na kami dito sa may Ocean Marina Park. Kung balak nyo mag-yacht party dito sa Pattaya, ganun yung magiging experience nyo. Yung food and beverages ay maa-adjust base sa inyong budget. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to Dana and Mama channel. Bye!